Good afternoon, everyone. So it looks like it's been a unboxing week. So today I'm going to be unboxing a chair for work, and it's actually not for me, it's for Kat. So she's been having issues with the chair that she has in the bedroom since she's working from home. It's really hard and it's just flat, so you know, her back is hurting and her behind as well. So she ordered this nice chair, like an office chair, and I'm gonna be unboxing that right now, and yeah, we'll see how comfy it's going to be. It's a pretty simple chair, it's black, but I think it also has some controls where you can move back, low, just like any chair, but it's pretty wide, so we'll see if it fits in the bedroom. And yeah, I know she's excited about that, so I just told her that I'm going to unbox that right now, so let's get to it. Alright, so now we have the Furmax office chair. It's leather, it's simple, it's black. One of my unboxing knives. It shouldn't take that long building, but we shall see. What's in this box here? Here we got the wheels and the base for the chair. Oh, some tools. Oh. This is the leveler, so you can put it high or low. Alright, here we have the wheels. And these are our little kit, our tools. Shouldn't be that hard to put together. Here we have the armrest. Well, we have two of them, obviously. There's one. Oops. And here we have number two. I keep forgetting that I need to be looking at the lens, not the screen, so bear with me. It's been a few weeks, so throw that in there. Let's just throw this garbage in the box. Now we have the seat itself. Wow, it's nice leather. It feels really soft, and it's super cushiony. You see, it has like white stitching. I don't know if you guys can see, but that's pretty cool. Yeah, it feels very firm. And now this is the back part. It says that this chair is also if you guys are gamers, it's good for gaming. I mean, it looks pretty like game-ish as well, I guess, with these two holes here. But this is the back part. It's the same. It's nice and cushiony. Pull that out. And this is the book and how to build it. All the tools. Where's number? Okay, 1. All right, so we're gonna start. I'm gonna put the wheels first. Pretty easy, you just push them in and that's it. I wish all furniture can be as easy as building this chair. Yeah. That's one thing that I like doing, building furniture. All right, so we got our wheels on and we're gonna put that down. And now we're putting this little, I don't know what you call this, but this is what's gonna make the chair go up and down. So I'm gonna put that in the center, just like this. Now you're gonna put the cups. They look like cups, but. So it's showing to put the cups. I think I'm missing a cup. It shows 3. I have 2. I guess not. All right, now moving along. So on the seat itself, we're gonna put this piece here, which is the leveler for the chair. I just have to see what I make sure I put it the right way, because this can go so many ways. So let's see. So this is okay. So we want this part out, and then this part this way. Okay. So that's the front, and it has a label on the seating part. It says front on the bottom. All right, now that this piece is on, now you want to put the armrest on the sides here, and there's 2 holes on this side and 2 holes on this side. So we're gonna do that right now. So this is the front. I want to make sure that you're following the book, because you want to make sure that the armrest go the right way. So this is the front here. And then this, you can tell by this that it curves inside. So this one goes on the left and then the other one goes on the right. It comes with some caps to cover the screws. Like there's 2 here, 1 there, like all over. So they come with these like little black caps that you just cover the holes. Like that you don't see all the screws. All right, so now we are going to put the chair on the base. So I'm just gonna find this hole right here. You're gonna put it right where the orange piece is sticking out. And you're gonna push it down. I just pulled the paddle and it went up. Okay, so that's there. And now we're gonna put the back part. Make sure when the chair is facing forward that on the armrest here, there's two holes on each side, and that's where you're gonna screw in the back part of the chair, because it has 2 holes on each side. It's gonna go like this. Then you'll put the screws on the side. There's access for it. There we go. All right, now that's done. It feels so comfy. I'm gonna show you from the side. It goes all the way back. You can go down a little bit, not too much, and then you just stand up and then hit the pad, and then it pulls you back up. All right, now let's see what Kat thinks about her new chair. And then I can quickly show you guys the chair that she's currently using now, but I know definitely this is gonna be way comfortable for her. Let's go show her. All right, we're gonna quickly swap Kat's new chair. Now you see the chair that she's sitting on right now?
Not very
Here,
straight.
do you want to just stand up real quick so I can show them how flat and hard it is? So this is the chair that she's been using. Call it the quarantine chair.
Oh my god.
Is it cozy?
It's really
comfy? Move. See, now you look professional. You upgraded. See what happens when you get quarantined?
It's very comfy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Cool.
I'll let you know in a few.
That's a thumbs up.
Thumbs up from me!
All right, so you heard it from the queen. The chair is awesome, and you saw her reaction. Like, now she's not moving from that chair. So I'm gonna put the chair and the links down below if you guys are interested. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. It may be actually an unboxing video. Hopefully my bike gets here. Should be coming in soon, so stay tuned for that. This is Ariel Diaz. Peace.